Our NumBox Sensor Array is very small, in the size of a palm, and can be mounted easily to any device and machine inside a factory or building. Our NumBox consists of 5 different sensors such as temperature, vibration, 3D magnetic Hall effect, 2 accelerometers, and ultrasound up to 70 kHz, plus 3 optional sensors such as gas concentration analyzer, near-infrared spectroscopy analyzer, and humidity sensor according to the nature of the process. The same box has a built-in edge processing unit and optional IoT communication devices such as Ethernet, USB, Bluetooth, and GSM. As it can be seen, it can be easily mounted on an AC motor without any electrical or mechanical interference. Additional to this project, in order to monitor the factory both 3D visually and technically, we have developed our digital twin technology. All real-time sensor data to digital twin is supplied by NumBox Sensor Arrays. Our solution pioneers the cutting-edge realm of smart environments by using the digital twin technology. By doing so, the user experience of real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and energy efficiency are elevated to unprecedented levels, while amplifying automation, comfort, and sustainability as it sets better standards for the future of intelligent factory and building solutions. In the digital twin, all images and objects are vectors, so they can be easily picked, moved, or repositioned. It is possible to measure distances with a tape measure in 3 dimensions, assign IDs to each vector object, and project sensor data on the screen in real time permanently or with a mouse click. For the establishment of digital twins, our technical teams in Turkey, France, and now in the UK are visiting the facilities with 3D cameras and notebooks to create digital twins. For every 100 meter square area, 3D cameras and our software platform can create a digital twin in about 10 minutes.